In front of me is Motorola Signature, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to Hit Apps. Then scroll again, this time to select App Lock. Click on this arrow in the pop-up and tap on Explore. Now pick one of those login methods that you will use to lock your apps: pattern, PIN or password. Create it. If you made a mistake, tap on Clear at the bottom left corner and redo it. Hit Next at the bottom right one and repeat it to confirm it. When you finished, choose Confirm. Now to lock any app, use gray switcher right next to it. So when I do that, go back and try to access my app, icons that pattern is now required. If you want to disable app lock from your app, use the same now blue switcher. If you can't find it, switch to locked apps. If you want to disable app lock completely, click on this gear next to Unlock method and tap on Reset App Lock. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!